Everybody, welcome to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today I will be sharing my jewelry which I got recently. So I ordered few earrings from Koofs and I also got few things from Westside which I was not able to show because I wanted to do a Westside haul, but I ended up using everything, so now I don't know what all I bought. So if you want to know what all I got, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. So my first pair of earrings are these beautiful purple studded earrings which has this bird hanging which I love because this is really different, and I'm waiting to do a tutorial using these earrings, and I just love how the bird is hanging. And there was also one with zebra hanging, I think, so I loved the combination in this one, so I picked these up. So the earrings I got are these beautiful long, very simple, very smart earrings which has this pearl hanging and a long chain. So this is how they look. You can also wear one if you want. Oh my god, these are my favorite. So these are super cool. So this one has one star hanging and the other one has moon hanging. So look how pretty they look. I just love the color and love the quality. Sorry guys, I'm not able to find out my bill right now, so I'll put everything in the description box below so that you can check out the prices, and also I'll try to link them if they're still available on Koofs, so that ways you can buy easily. Then next, these are so delicate, so pretty and so summery. I always wanted these fringe earrings. These are very lightweight, which is good because I just can't wear heavy earrings. And moving on, I got this very pretty basic black earrings and I loved the quality, and this is how it looks. Next pair of earrings are these beautiful leaf design, very metallic earrings, and I just love them. So next one is these beautiful very pretty studded earrings. What I love about these are very medium length, like they're not over the top or too long, but very sparkly. So moving on to Westside, I got this really pretty necklace which has this 4 adjustments. These are the pendant. This is like a capsule, this is a single stud, this is with the chain, and this is with the triangle and a pearl hanging in it. So you can change the adjustment, and I think that's a very good unique way to use one necklace in so many ways. So this one was for $4.99 and I think it's really affordable because you get to wear 4 different kind of pendants. So that's that. This one is from Westside, and another one from Westside is this, and it has got this long hangings, and I just love how chic and how smart it looks. So recently I wore it with a white plain shirt. So this is how it looks. And the last one is this very pretty piece. This is with the golden blocks and some chains. It's very simple and very nice. This is also for $2.99. And the last one is from Forever 21, and this is gifted by one of my friends. So thank you, Tanvi, if you're watching this. And this is how it looks. So it has got this beautiful chain and this long pendant going on, and the color of the stone is really pretty. So yes, this is my last piece of jewelry and I love all of them. So I will put all the details in the description box below. I will try to put all the links if possible. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Bye.